Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hartirat Singh, and guys, today we are back inside of car dealership tycoon. So guys, आजकल चल रहा है एग हंट, जो कि मैं तो पूरा कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाऊँगा क्योंकि मेरे काफ़ी सारे अभी पर्सनल इश्यूज़ चल रहे हैं। तो मैं आपको एक गाड़ी जो कि मैंने एग हंट के टाइम पे गेन किया है वो है ये कार। ये एक एग मोबाइल है। दिस इज़ वेरी फनी कार बट या सो मैंने वो जितने दिन वीडियोस नहीं डाली वो डेज़ में मैंने एक तो ये ले लिया और दूसरी जो एक पुलिस इवेंट चल रहा था वो कंप्लीट करके ये ले लिया है स्वॉट ट्रक एंड आई कैन कैच पीपल। एंड गाइस, मैंने एक और न्यू कार ली थी। पहले तो आपको मेरी ये वाली कार के बारे में तो पता ही होगा। ये मैंने ऑफ कैमरा ग्राइंडिंग करके ली थी और फिर मैंने उसके बाद थोड़ी और ऑफ कैमरा ग्राइंडिंग करके ये वाली कार पाई थी, द एस्टन मार्टिन वैल्क्री। और आज मैंने और भी ग्राइंड करके एक और कार जो कि है मैंने वो बाय करनी है, जिसके लिए मुझे $2 मिलियन चाहिए। एंड ऑब्वियसली $2 million, let's go। So 2 million में देखते हैं we are getting a McLaren P1 GTR. Oh sorry, a McLaren P1. So let's go. We bought it. Take it out. Woo! Shit, boy. It's nice. Look at the spoiler, bro. This is nice. Just let me put this car inside the my dealership, and yes, I completed the police dealership full. So let's just change all the car that we have. Change this to this one and change this. Oh, what? Oh, and change this to change that to that only. No, change this to this one and change this to this car. All right, so all of those cars are placed right there. No, we can just do this, I guess. We can change this from to this and then change this to this and change this to this. Yes. And we are done with customization. And let's customize my McLaren P1. So let's get out. So what color should I make it? Let's see here. The new fastest car that I have. We can put a different color on it. That's cool. We can put a different one. That's that's pretty cool, I guess. Yo, that looks sick, my boy. That looks sick. That is sick. Let's go. And let's change the color too. So first wait. And from the egg hunt, after finding 10 eggs, you get this bunny rim. This bunny rim you get, guys, because I don't have money. I will be back when I have almost 200k. Alright guys, when I have 200k. So let's go. Oh, wait. Where do I need to go? Wait a second. Where do I need to go? कौन सी रेस पे जाना है? हम कहते कार को टेस्ट कर नहीं सकते सीधा. Let's test this car on the race. On a race, right? This race we should do. So guys, I think that I will upload a video on this car the next day, because it's an urgent thing that I have to do. So sorry, but I will upload a video properly on this car. Properly by properly I actually mean properly. I will make a detailed video on it while testing this car and doing all of that stuff. So yeah, to today's video, and here, if you like it, to share it with your friends, and please subscribe guys. We are so close to 20 subscribers. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and bye.